Hey everybody, it's Tommy Anderson from Coyote Mountain Film Productions, and Sunday I was in Buena Park at the Model Kit Collectors Show, which is always a big deal there. I met up with Eric from Celebrating Vintage Model Kits. We were all there a couple months ago. We met up with Max from Max's Model out of Jacksonville, Florida, and Mike Monash out of Long Beach from his a well-known aviation artist and curator of the Santa Monica Air Museum. But I was going to shoot some videos. I got a little bit, but there were so many people there, and I'm sure anybody else trying to do it had the same problem, because there's no way you could get a line of sight of anything. I got a few things. I didn't buy any models except for one, which caught my eye when I rounded a corner and I saw it all the way at the end of an aisle. And I'll show you. It is the Revell's 1/48 scale F-102A Delta Dagger. But the important thing is, it's from the 176 Fighter Squadron of the Wisconsin Air National Guard that I retired out of as a Master Sergeant and Deputy Fire Chief. This is one of the very few times that I will buy a completed model, and it's absolutely beautiful, and it's just like the ones that they used to fly out of Madison, my hometown. This is so cool. I had to have it. He gave me a heck of a price because I told him I had retired out of the unit, and actually the price of this is cheaper than if I would have bought the kit. I actually had built that kit years ago, but that's before they had the decals for the 176 Fighter Squadron. So I'm really happy for that. And otherwise, I hung around with Max. I hung around with Eric. We walked around. I got from Eric this FROG Me 410 that he had on his show, 1/72nd scale. And I have to see what I want to do with that, if I want to build it right away. But the other model I got from Eric was one I built in high school, which was one of my favorites, the Monogram North American P-51B Mustang. It's the Razorback, and I got this in oh boy, maybe I was a junior in high school, I don't remember, but the very same kit, and I was very excited that I was able to get that from him. He had a lot of other good kits there, but I had to behave myself. There were so many kits there. There were some that I thought about, but I just couldn't pull myself around to doing it, because I've got so many in my stash right now that I really don't need to add any more to it. But watch the few video clips that I have, and you'll see a little bit of the show. It's always fun to go to. It's always great to see what they have there, and it's some of the best model prices if you're into vintage models that you'll find anywhere. Even better than eBay. Most of these people sell them at half the going price, so it's a really good experience and a lot of fun. So everybody have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.